Hello friends, today we are making a 6-strand braided bracelet with colorful seed beads. The mix of turquoise and pastels give it a fresh ocean-inspired look, finished with a sleek gold clasp. Lightweight and vibrant and perfect for everyday wear. So let's start it. Pick one seed bead and go through the seed bead and then tie a couple of knots. And now we are going to pick more seed beads, and the total length of the string should be around 8 inches. At the end of the string, tie a couple of knots to secure the string, and then trim the tail. So in this way we are going to make 6 strings. I have made 2 strings of each color. Now this is the slider tube. Put the first bead inside, and now this way we have all the strings, and then close the tube like this. Now with the help of a tape we are going to secure the piece. Divide it into 2 parts, 3 strings each. Now bring the extreme left to the center opposite side. Now the right extreme to center opposite side. So in this way we are going to braid by bringing the extreme outer one to the center on the opposite side. And this way we are going to create the braid with the 6 strings. So you have to continue like this. So once you are done with the braiding part, slide the last bead into the tube and then press the lid and close the tube. And that's my little beaded creation. Hope you liked it. Just a fun, colorful piece to brighten up any outfit. That's it for this bracelet. Thanks for hanging out with me. Simple, handmade, and made to make you smile. Bye bye and take care.